Hello, this is Sir Nariko. Welcome back to my channel. This tutorial will guide you through creating a basic whistle body by merging a 2D circle and a rectangle into a single 3D solid. We will use the union command, which is a fundamental Boolean operation in 3D modeling. Click Circle at the Draw tab. Click anywhere on the drawing area to set the center point. Type the radius 300. Click Enter. Click on the edge of the circle. Click Extrude in the Modeling tab. Type the height 300. Click Enter. Click Rectangle at the Draw tab. Click near the circle to set the corner point. Type 300. Click Enter. You can adjust the rectangle by dragging it at the edge of the circle. Click on the edge of the rectangle. Click Extrude at the Modeling tab. Type 300. Click Enter. Type Boolean at the command line. Select Boolean Union. Click the circle and the rectangle. Click Enter. Click Orbit at the right side of the workspace. Hold your mouse and rotate the model. Now you can see a basic whistle body.